Hello, today I'm going to be installing this smoke alarm in this corner of our kitchen. So to do this I'll need a drill and a 4mm drill bit, a pen, a screwdriver and a hammer, and I'll be using this step ladder. With smoke alarms you don't want to put them right in the corner because smoke might not get there, so if you're putting it in the corner of the room, about here is probably okay. I've just stuck it on with sticky tape now just to get an idea of where to put it, and also so that I can hold the camera while making holes in the ceiling, which I'll do now. I wouldn't recommend actually keeping the sellotape there to hold it on because it wouldn't be up there for very long. So now that I've marked where the holes are going to be, I will drill them. So yeah, now it's time to drill the holes. You have to be very careful, just in case there's something above the ceiling that you don't know about. Yeah, I think there is something above that first hole, so I wasn't able to drill in very far. So let's hope that the wall plug still goes in okay. Quite a messy job this, so when you're drilling, so just make sure you clear the floor of anything important like food, well, the floor area. So let's put these in. It doesn't actually say what size hole I need to drill, so I might need to actually drill a bigger hole, so I'll just get slightly bigger drill bits, maybe 5, and try that. Yeah, so those have gone in better, so now I need to knock them in a bit more. That's good. So I've just put the base there and put the screws in by hand a little bit, so now I'll just screw them in. Sorry about the shaky camera. I haven't really got any way of holding one so close to the ceiling other than by hand. Okay, so that's now done. So this smoke alarm comes with a battery, but it does need reversing so that it makes contact with the smoke alarm. So make sure this red piece of plastic is inside and this tab is underneath the battery so that you can pull it out easily in future. Also make sure that you get positive and negative the right way around, obviously. That's that done. So now it's just a case of putting it on this base. Oh, let's try that again. There you go. So it's best to test it out. Yeah, I think that works. Thanks for watching.